We're exploring a residence where craftsmanship meets opulence. A kitchen not just made for cooking, but for commanding an audience. Bathrooms so beautiful, you'd think you were in a boutique hotel in the south of France. A primary suite so large, it has its own zip code. Probably. This isn't just a home. It's an answer to the question, what happens when elegance is engineered without compromise? Welcome to a home where champagne does not feel out of place at breakfast. And how about a family room so stunning it would make Versailles look like a starter home? 2-story windows, vaulted ceilings, so large in fact you could lose your children in here and possibly your will to leave. We have a second story so posh it has 4 bedrooms, a catwalk worthy of Milan, and because stairs are for peasants, its own elevator. Even gravity respects this place. Behind me is a primary bedroom that's so vast you need a map to find the bed, a walk-in closet that would rival most boutiques. And the ensuite bathroom has 4 sinks because apparently brushing your teeth should be a group activity. And you're looking for a balcony? Sure, you've got one of those because why not survey your kingdom in style? We've descended into a basement that laughs in the face of ordinary. It's got a full gym, pool table, movie theater, a bar so fancy it needs a dress code, a walk up to the pool area. This is not a basement, this is a lifestyle. And just out those double doors, you'll find 2 fire pits, a pool with fountains and lighting, a giant pool house, tennis, basketball, golf, and just casually, a 3-bedroom residence above the garage. This is not a backyard. This is a resort that has decided to move in.